I have a theory, okay? And the theory has to do with ASMR. I have been listening to way too many ASMR channels. Not only that, but also my TikTok is fucking full of them, which is really incredibly annoying. But what I think they are, essentially, right, is videos where the mic gain is noticeably higher, there is no background music, and they just don't have the, like a noise filter. They just don't have a noise filter on them, right? Isn't that essentially what a ASMR channel thing is? And they're desperately trying to not blow out the mic by being too loud. Like, let's say I put the mic on 6 like this, right? I can see that I'm in the yellow zone, which actually is too loud. So if I bring it back to 5, then that's fine, right? But I'm technically also not yelling. I'm just using my lower cadence of my voice, because if I want to not talk loud, it's either this or whispering, right? And I guess I have this theory where the sultriness of it makes it somewhat more endearing to people. I don't know how ASMR is ASMR and what is ASMR, because if you look online of what to do, it all people will tell you is like, so what you do is you take a water bottle, right, and you shove it up your ass. And you don't do that, but okay, what you do is you I'm a 5-year-old. It's like you take a water bottle in and you just like fucking play with the water bottle, and it's like, that doesn't sound right. That's not what it is. What could this possibly, oh fuck, of course the little preview thing is in front of me. So what is ASMR? Now ASMR could be, we forget to have the noise filter on it. That's not noise. Noise in audio looks like that, right? It's like a scratchy thing, like that. That's noise, right? It's putting your mic gains too high and barely clipping the shit out, right? That could be what ASMR is. That, and you these TikToks, they non-stop, what they do is like caress the mic and stuff like that. But the thing is, some of them are actually kind of relaxing. So I'm a total hypocrite. On the one hand, I'm like, it's kind of bull, but on the other hand, I'm like, well, I actually kind of do like listening to them. They're very, they are sort of soothing in their own way, a little weird way, but like they are sort of. It's weird. Okay, you know what I'm even gonna do? For the first time ever, by the way, I'm gonna remove the pop filter. Now the mic is all naked, and God, that mic looks cool. I actually forgot what it looked like. I'll get a thing. Look at me. Oh shit, I had another one here, god damn it. Listen to this. This is peak ASMR. Are you ready? Taking a brush and sort of caressing the microphone with it. If you know, that's not what the microphone looks like. Is it that? Is this ASMR? Is this what the people want? I do not know. It is sort of weirdly smoothing to do it though. Is the noise the ASMR? Is the having the fan of the computer blowing in the background, is that makes it ASMR? I do not know. I'm trying desperately not to blow out the fucking mic, but it's here you go. Look at that. It's like, your stream is noise. No, my stream is ASMR now. We become ASMR. Become the ASMR. See if we can change our, yeah, fuck it, I'm changing the stream title. becoming ASMR itself. This is the stupidest stream idea I've had in a while. Yeah. Yeah. Which means it's perfect for my channel. I was just gonna draw some anatomy, because I've been recently getting into watching a whole bunch of sculpting videos when it comes to sculpting the eye, you know, because that's one of those like anatomy things I'm just really bad at. So I thought, like, oh, if I just train up on my eye anatomy, I'll be able to draw it no problem. Come to find out, it's still a pain in the ass, even if you sort of know what you're doing, because of all the, like, it's basically like a group like that, followed by another fat group like that, followed by like where the eyebrow is, and then the nose is there. Such a pain in the ass. And I did back in the day. So okay, this is actually, you know, I don't have a good story here. Back in my college year.